Today I'll be telling you something about glaucoma. Hi, I'm Dr. Nimisha Sharma. I'm a consultant ophthalmologist at Elite Hospitals, Kachiboli. I'm a glaucoma cataract surgeon. Do you know what is called silent thief of sight? It is glaucoma because most of the patients are unaware and are asymptomatic in the early stages of glaucoma. It affects the peripheral vision first and the center vision gets affected in the last stage of glaucoma. Then what is glaucoma? Basically, glaucoma is any damage to the optic nerve with a normal intraocular pressure or a raised intraocular pressure. It is one of the preventable cause of blindness because the blindness which happens because of glaucoma is a permanent blindness. Now coming to the risk factors for glaucoma. It is more common in people after 40 years of age. It is related to the ethnicity in some people. It has a genetic predisposition, is also more common in females. Some systemic problem like some patients having high blood pressure, cardiac issues or sleep apnea are more prone to get glaucoma and a progressive glaucoma. Also, patients who have continued high intraocular pressure or a low corneal thickness are also more prone to glaucoma. Some of the other causes are any injury to the eye, or continuous long-term usage of steroids also can lead to glaucoma. So basically the treatment helps in preventing the progression of glaucoma. Now how do we diagnose glaucoma? It is done normal eye checkup through a slit lamp examination, checking the eye pressure through tonometry, checking the angles in the eye through gonioscopy, and then checking optic nerve in detail in undilated and dilated examination through 90 diopter lens or a 78 diopter lens, and then confirming with a perimetry test and optical coherence tomography test. So how do we treat glaucoma? Basically, glaucoma in early stages is treated either by glaucoma drops, anti-glaucoma medications which are in the form of drops, or lasers. Some patients in which it is uncontrolled and they require a surgical intervention, it can be treated with a filtering surgery or glaucoma shunt surgeries or minimally invasive glaucoma surgery. Hence, an early diagnosis and on-time treatment helps in preventing permanent blindness due to glaucoma. So for more information, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel or comment in the section below.